Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur the number plate of a vehicle on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can tap on the plus icon or the open button to open up any image that you would like to edit. Now, once you open up this image, if there is any vehicle that you would like to blur the number plate of, then tap on the tools option at the bottom section. Then tap on lens blur and then move the lens to any location of your image that is far away from the object that you would like to blur. You can then choose your blur strength and tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. Now tap on edit stack at the top section and then go into view edits. From here you can tap on lens blur once again and use the brush icon. Now just zoom into your image and use the given brush in order to highlight the number plate that you wish to blur from your image. After choosing and highlighting your number plate, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now the blur will be applied to your number plate within your image right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to blur the number plate of any vehicle using Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.